Have you recently watched Stranger Things and now you're dying to know who Vecna is? Well, Vecna is a fictional deity in the Dungeons & Dragons universe. He is a powerful god and lich whose symbol is a left human hand holding a bloody severed head. Vecna was first detailed in Eldritch Wizardry in 1976 as one of the supplements to the original D&D rules. According to recent supplements, Vecna is the god of secrets, evil, and undead. He wants nothing more than to gain power and knowledge and will go to any lengths to achieve his goals. Vecna is a master of deception and manipulation, something that we see in Stranger Things a lot, and he enjoys playing people against each other. Vecna is usually depicted as a skeleton or a corpse with his left hand and eye missing, which, by the way, the hand of Vecna and Vecna's own eyeball are two of the most powerful items that you can find, just saying. Vecna's got a pretty dark and storied history in Dungeons & Dragons, starting with his ascension to Lich status. For those of you who don't know, a Lich is a type of undead creature in many fantasy and horror stories. Liches are often depicted as being the embodiment of evil, using powerful magic to extend their lives. They're basically evil wizards. So yeah, Vecna is pretty much the definition of evil. And there you have it, a quick rundown of who Vecna is in the D&D universe. Thank you so much for watching. If we forgot something, leave it in the comments below. I know some of you out there know Vecna lore much better than me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your displacer beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.